Why does your scanner show the P20BF engine code? What does it mean? P20BF is a diagnostic trouble code for Reductant Heater B, Control Circuit Low. The P20BF engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a low voltage or electrical fault in the DEF heater B control circuit, preventing proper DEF heating. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty reductant heater, damaged wiring harness, blown fuse or relay, defective temperature sensor, PCM or SCR module failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.